Welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about how digital simulation, driven by digital twins, is transforming project management in sectors such as construction, manufacturing, and logistics. The image illustrates how these tools allow you to anticipate problems, optimize resources, and improve planning before implementing physical changes, that if you are looking for innovative solutions to manage complex projects more efficiently, this video is for you. Digital twins in project management. Enhancing Predictive Capabilities, Journal of Project Management, 2023. This article highlights how digital twins improve risk forecasting and optimize resource planning in sectors such as construction. It shows how this technology has reduced cost overruns by 12% and lead times by 15%. The role of digital twins in construction project management. Construction Management and Economics, 2023. This study highlights how digital simulation can predict design problems and reduce rework costs by 10%. These academic cases demonstrate the positive impact of digital twins on project planning and execution. Digital twins, driving efficiency in project management. Deloitte Insights, 2024. Deloitte documents how companies have improved project efficiency by 18% by implementing digital simulations. The image highlights how these tools help identify bottlenecks before they affect project execution. The impact of digital twins on risk management in large-scale projects. McKinsey and Company, 2023. McKinsey highlights how companies have reduced delay losses by 20% by simulating risk scenarios before making critical decisions. These reports reflect how digital simulation not only optimizes resources, but also improves risk management in complex projects. Advancements in digital twins for process optimization. MIT Technology Review, 2023. This article discusses how companies have improved the accuracy of their simulations by 12% using advanced machine learning algorithms. The image shows examples of real-time data integration in sectors such as manufacturing. Digital twins, a game changer in project planning. Forbes Technology Council, 2024. Forbes highlights how digital twins have improved the accuracy of time and cost estimates by 15%, reducing the risks of cost overruns. These innovations position digital twins as indispensable tools for project management. Digital simulation is a powerful tool for managing complex projects, allowing you to anticipate problems, optimize resources, and improve decision-making. We summarize the key benefits, including cost reduction, improved planning, and early identification of risks. If you want to implement digital simulation in the management of your projects and take advantage of the potential of digital twins, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we can develop a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.